big rain, huh, Tinley? You ever seen rain like that before? Oh my gosh. You see that lightning? Look.